All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking Milwaukee Long Reach. I haven't updated you on how these tools have done. Spoiler alert, love them. This is one of my go-to tools, period. End of story. I love it. Been working great, haven't had a lick of trouble out of them. The 1/4 inch is used constantly. 3/8, I still use a ton. I don't use the regular reach much anymore. I mostly just grab the extended reach. Have I run into a place where the head won't fit? Once. And that was a unique situation, and that was completely flat rating a job. You know what I did? I put a 3/8 adapter on this one, and actually worked better than using the 3/8 because it pulled it away from the fan shroud and allowed me to have room to take the fastener out. Been great. I have no complaints about these tools. The power is great on them. Maybe a little too much sometimes, but other than that, they've been awesome. Again, haven't had a lick of trouble out of either one. Now, I have gotten questions about the torque, you know, how much manual torque you can put on this. Milwaukee doesn't give a spec. Unfortunately, they don't. I know Snap-on does. I can tell you a lot. Like, there's been times where I've used this tool to break a fastener loose that I'd be worried about my Matco ratchets shattering and have not broken it. I'm sure it has a limit. I might find it one day, might not. Generally, if I'm worried about how hard I'm pushing on the tool, I generally grab a regular ratchet instead, usually my long Matco, but I've broken a ton of really stuck fasteners with this loose, including Honda starter bolts. And if you've ever done a Honda starter, you know how tight them bolts can be, wicked tight. I don't have a spec for you, but a lot is all I can tell you. So hope you liked the long-term review of the Milwaukee extended reach electric ratchets. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out new videos. You don't like Milwaukee? Give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.